Hello everyone, my name is Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start making our very first website. And it's going to be very simple, very bare bones. This is the final design. And what we're going to need is just any web browser. I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. And also we'll need the Notepad application that should be built in on your Windows machine. So first we're going to start with the Notepad, and we will be using HTML and CSS for this tutorial, so make sure you follow along. So first off, we're going to start typing. So this will tell the browser that this file is going to be an HTML file. And how we're going to start that is we're going to type bracket HTML. And then we're going to close the bracket with just a bracket slash HTML. And every HTML file will include these tags. So first off, we have head. And we have to close this one. And we have body. First off, start with the head. Make sure to tab just to make it organized, and we're gonna type title. We're gonna name that home and close this one. So what this is gonna do, it's going to name this tab over here whatever you name it. So if you name it cat, it will say cat down here. So we're gonna do home for now, and we'll move on to the body. First off, we're gonna place this image on top. First, we're going to Google and search for any image that you like. So we're going to just search vector icons. And we can search up maybe cat. And this one looks cute, so we're just gonna open image in a new tab and copy the link. And how we're gonna place it on the HTML file is we'll use the img tags, so bracket img, and to link the file we'll use src equals quotations, and you paste the link, you close them, and now we can save just to see what it looks like. So we'll save this as webpage.html. Save it. Now we can go here, we can open it, and now we can see that the image is on the file. Okay, let's continue. Next, we're gonna need this title. How we're gonna do that is we will use the heading tag. We'll use H and then 1, which means it's gonna be the biggest heading on the page. We'll name this one Cat Express. Make sure to close this one, save it, and we can refresh the page, and there it is. Next, we will apply the list. So we will do bracket UL, which means unordered list. And we will apply the elements. So first is gonna be LI, it's list item. The first one is about. Make sure to close this one. Second one is services. The last one is gonna be a contact. Make sure to close the list, save it, and should show up like this. And also there's going to be a straight line that goes across. We're going to add that too. Go to where you want to put it, and we'll use the tag HR, which means horizontal rule, and that will give us a line across. Alright, so next step is going to be stylizing the page. We will do that by using CSS, but first what we'll do is going to link the file to the HTML so that they can both work together. So first we'll go onto the inside the heading tags, and we will do link equals style sheet, and then we can link it using href equals, and we'll name that one style.css, close it and save. Alright, so now we can make a new file and we can start with the CSS. First we need to save this one, and we named it style.css. So first we'll need to center everything and change the background color and fonts. So first we'll do body, so we'll do background color and it's gonna be a gray. I recommend using a color picker on Google. Just choose whichever color you want and you just copy and paste this code and you can paste it onto your CSS. And when you finish typing one rule, you have to finish it with a semicolon. Next one is the font, so it's gonna be font family colon, and we'll use Arial. We are going to center everything on the page, so how we do that is we set the max width of the body to 500 pixels, and the margin is going to be auto. And we can save this and refresh it, and now it's centered. And we need more space on top, so we'll do margin dash top, and we're just gonna do 30 pixels. And we can close this one with the closing curly bracket. There we go. Next we need to center this text and also format this list and change the size of the icon. So first we'll do the icon. It's gonna be img, and we'll do the width. Let's do 100 pixels and see how that looks. It's a bit too small, so I'll make it a little more. That looks good. And now it's on the side, so we'll need to fit it in the middle. So how we're gonna do that is it's gonna do display and block, and we'll do margin left auto and margin right auto as well. Close it, save, and now it's in the center. And next one is going to be H1. This one's simpler. We'll just need text align and center. Refresh, there we go. Now we'll work on the list. First we'll do UL, and we're gonna have to get rid of these bullet points, and to do that we're gonna do list style none, so that we get rid of them. And to make them horizontal, we will go on list item display inline. And let's see. So we need more space in between. So what we'll do is do margin on the left, and we'll do 60 px. And this is our finished website. Alright, make sure to check out my website for more tutorials, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.